How to make wall shelves easily and economically. Do it yourself. Want to make your own wall shelf at home? Easy. You can make it simply and economically. Come on, see how to make a wall shelf for home decoration below. Do it yourself. The following images are the inspiration. Making your own wall shelves can be done easily as long as you know the procedures. These activities can be done to fill free time at home. Instead of buying, you can be creative in making wall shelves to beautify the room decoration. By making it yourself, you are free to determine the size, model, and design of the wall shelf. Apart from that, you can also add unique ornaments as desired. This wall shelf could be a solution in the midst of limited space for storing items or decorations. So, before making a wall shelf, first prepare the tools and materials. Come on, see in full how I made a minimalist wall shelf in this video, okay?